So I wanted to talk about one of the canons of statutory construction called the Rule Against Surplusage. Now, for purposes of statutory construction, the courts and the bill drafters use a series of canons to help guide them in interpreting statutes. These include textual canons, which are deemed intrinsic aids, as well as linguistic presumptions and grammatical conventions, substantive canons, and extrinsic aids. Now, it's impossible to list all of them, but there are a few common canons, and these are very useful for legislative drafting and understanding. Now, we start with the general presumption that the legislature drafts its bills carefully and intentionally. And because of this presumption, the usual approach of the judicial branch is to narrow statutes rather than expand them. And courts are less activist in their interpretation. The rule against surplusage explains that different words in the same statute cannot have the same meaning. In other words, one word is not duplicative or redundant of another word found in the same statute. This canon called the rule against surplusage is used when reading a statute, and it appears that one or more parts of the statute are redundant. If there is another reading that would avoid the perceived redundancy, then a court will do that.